During CES, we actually brought you a lot of information about Amazfit, including recently we put out a review done by Monica Scott about the amazing Amazfit T-Rex. Well, we also got another one. Now this one I thought we would basically do an unboxing for you. So check out this awesome product. We're going to open it up right now. It's got a nice little seal on the top. Easy peasy. Oh wow. There's a, how much you can say about how beautiful that looks in that box right there. It almost looks like you're getting like one of those really high-end watches. So as you can see, there's that little sticker on there. It shows a watch face. Of course, the battery's not plugged in. So all I can tell you right now is just feeling it out. It's a rubberized band. It also looks like it's got the screw plug so you can take it out and replace it with other bands. But it's very soft and also very pliable. So you're not going to worry about it like feeling like it's constricting. It seems to be giving a lot with regards to how I'm moving it around and mixing it around. Now I have a big wrist, so let's see if this fits me. The problem with this cool band is while it looks like you can swap it out, I can't imagine a watch band out there that's as kind of like soft and springy as this one is. So inside the box, looks like it comes with a couple things. Really easy pull tab to pop it open. You got a super thick manual. That is a lot of information in multiple languages, of course. So many languages. So that's very helpful. And then it looks like it just has a very simple cord. Oops. Plugs to USB, and then I imagine this syncs onto the watch. So let's check to see. Let's take this off. And then yeah, so we got our base right here. What you do is you just, I guess, place that on there and it magnetically connects to it, just like you would like a lot of your Apple products. And then it will start charging the device. Now, Monica, like I said, has already done a review on this product. So I'm gonna put a link to that review on the bottom of this video. It's really important you go check it out because she's gonna tell you a lot more than I can just tell you right now from just the simple like unboxing and checking it out video. However, I will also say this. I've got, I'll show you where you can find the app and what it's named. It's gonna pop up on the screen here in a second. You can see, you just go to the Google Play Store or the Android Store and you can actually search this app. You can open it up and it's real easy just to jump in. You just create an account, and then once you create an account, you can just upload the device to it. Of course, you want to charge it. And when this device is charged, now Monica has been using it for, I want to say a month now. And when she's been using it for almost a month, while the watch says it can last about like 20 days without, you don't need to be recharged. That is kind of like in a lower end scale use. It can last a lot longer if you're just using it as a watch. But with how active she is with it, with regards to notifications, communication, app tracking, exercising, it usually lasts her about a week. But only having to take this thing off for a week and placing it and charging it is really awesome, especially if you're using this for sleep tracking. So, and like I said, because of how soft this is and how springy it is, it really isn't binding. I mean, it clearly kind of like connects to the skin, and it clearly, you know, like connects it hard enough so you can get your heart rate, you can get your vital stats and things like that. But with regards to it, it just doesn't really feel too much. I have an issue, and I don't like to wear things like rings or bracelets or watches because I don't like feeling trapped. I don't like basically having the thing like tight around me. But this really just feels comfortable. I have to say that's really high-end job on their part. So definitely check out the further review.